Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm here to help you level up your business with my marketing tips. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or you simply want to learn more about digital marketing, this channel is for you. Now, I believe if you're here with me today, you're not sure if you should be using email marketing for your business. Well, if you ask me, I think that email marketing is an essential tool for every business. But don't take my word for it. In today's video, we'll explore the 6 most prominent reasons why you need to get started with email marketing. Let me ask you a quick question. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about email marketing? Is it the activity of writing and sending out emails? If yes, then you're in for a treat because email marketing today is so much more than that. And I promise you that by the end of this video, you will agree with me. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're entirely new to email marketing, then let's start from the basics. Email marketing is probably one of the most oldest online communication channels out there. And since 1978, when the first email blast was sent, a lot has changed. Today, email marketing is a cutting-edge tool for marketeers and business owners. The first reason why you have to consider email marketing is because it's cost-effective. Did you know that email marketing is considered one of the most cost-effective marketing channels? And it also brings one of the highest returns on investment for business owners. The key to getting the most benefits out of email marketing is to have a healthy and engaging email list. The more contacts you have in your email list and the more engaging they are with your emails, the better your emails will perform, which also means a higher return on your investments. Reason number 2 to get started with email marketing is that you get to play by your own rules. Are you familiar with the terms inbound and outbound channels and what are their benefits? Social media platforms and your website are so-called inbound channels. This means your audience decides for themselves when they want to visit your website or go online to one of the social channels where you're also present on. So unless you're running online advertisement, it will be difficult for you to persuade your audience to go on your website, read a blog, or like your post. I'm sure you know where I'm heading with this. So let's discuss what is so special about the outbound channel. Email marketing is your outbound channel where you get to play by your own rules. With email marketing, you're the one who decides who you want to invite to a conversation and when. You will no longer need to twiddle your thumbs and wait around for that potential customer to reach out to you. And the best thing is that with an automated email campaign, the tool will do the job for you. This brings us to the third reason, which is automation. Speaking of automating your email campaigns, let's touch upon how does automation actually work. First, you have to choose an email marketing software that has this function, but I'm sure by this time almost all the tools out there has this automation functionality. As soon as you have your email marketing tool, you can brainstorm what type of email campaigns you actually want to send out to your audience. There are evergreen campaigns that you can automate, and there are also email marketing campaigns that are really specific to a launch, for example. So if you have an evergreen campaign, or also called a drip campaign, then you can simply automate that campaign, and as soon as one of the members of your email list will fit the profile of the customer you want to talk to with that email campaign, they will automatically be added to your email campaign and receive your emails automatically. I know it may sound a little bit complicated or intimidating, so let me know in the comments below if you would like me to create a totally new video just about automation. We're halfway through the video, so make sure to like this video if you find the content useful so far. I would really appreciate it because this would indicate to YouTube that my video is useful to you and it will share it to other people who need this advice. Thank you. The fourth reason why you can benefit from email marketing is because you can personalize your messages. Do you ever have the feeling that some companies can literally read your mind? They send you emails precisely describing and addressing your needs at that point in time. Well, my friend, this is the power of automation combined with personalization. The content you place on your website and publish on your social media channels can only be personalized to a specific degree. So if you're not Amazon with access to AI and machine learning expertise, don't worry. I have a better solution for you. With the personalization feature in your email marketing tool, you can serve your audience the content that they prefer. You can personalize each of your message in your email to a specific person. So as you can see so far, the opportunities with email marketing are literally endless. We have arrived to the final 2 reasons why you need to include email marketing in your business. So stay tuned, and I have left the best reason for last, so make sure to listen to reason number 6 as well. Reason number 5 is that you can easily track performance and make adjustments and optimizations in real time. A feature that traditional marketing cannot offer you is an instant feedback on your campaign performance. In a matter of days, you will be able to identify how well your plan is performing. Are you trending towards reaching your marketing and business goals or not? And suppose you notice that one of your email campaigns is underperforming. Well, in that case, you can easily go into any of your campaigns, tweak it, and optimize it for future success. And reason number 6 is that email marketing can fit into any buyer's journey. In my opinion, email marketing is probably one of the most unique and adaptable channels out there. It can serve you in so many ways, and it can also fit so many different buyer's journeys. A buyer's journey is basically a process that your audience go through from being a prospect to a customer. It's the process when your audience discovers that they have a problem or they have a need. They research different options, and finally they find the perfect solution and purchase it. Usually, each of these stages involves using different marketing strategies and also a variety of online platforms. Let's take a quick example. In the awareness phase, when your audience is still realizing that they have a problem, you want to be present when that happens. So for example, in the awareness phase, you might be using search engine optimization or social media to get discovered by your audience. In the consideration and evaluation phases, you might want to focus on content marketing strategies that can help you build trust with your audience by creating content that can help them resolve their problems. And lastly, in the conversion phase, you might use different tools and tactics that can help you make the purchasing experience for your audience as smooth as possible. Do you notice how each marketing strategy can help you in different stages of your buyer's journey? Well, the good news is that email marketing can be incorporated in almost every of those stages. You can send your audience relevant messages in the awareness stage, in the consideration, evaluation, and also in conversion phase. There is also the phase that is called nurture. The nurture phase is the post-purchase phase. This is the phase where you want to keep in touch with your audience, or actually your customers. You want them to become your fans, your biggest advocates, and also so that whenever the need occurs for your products, they come back to you for repeat purchases. So just to recap, in today's video, we have discussed 6 compelling reasons why you should start email marketing today. Let me know in the comments below if I managed to change your mind. If yes, then make sure to check out this video here. Here I will teach you how you can start building your email list so you have contacts to email to, or you can also check out this video here. Thank you for your attention, and I see you in the next one.